Hello there. Bruh. Hello there. Hello there.
Aha!
Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh, yeah!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Leland here, bringing you another live TA. If you guys would like to see a specific coin or token and you want me to do a TA on it, all you got to do is ask. It's a $10 minimum contribution. You can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. Links are down below in the chat box for that. Or if you want to donate in crypto, I'm totally accepting of that as well. And you can use my 1UpCoin link, which is in the description down below as well. How's everyone doing? Welcome. Let's see. We got Paul in here. D the Don, welcome back, dude. How you doing? I'm up in Matic too. Yeah, Matic was that was a good one. That was a good call. I'm not surprised, but yeah, I definitely want to take a look at Matic today. Just hoping ETH comes down a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's still super cheap, man. I still think Ethereum is still really cheap at these levels. What's up, Dillini? I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out. Someone was talking about an inverse head and shoulders that we have on Bitcoin. I don't really see where do you see that inverse head and shoulders? Are we talking about on the okay, maybe possibly on the 4 hour that might be inverse head and shoulders? Maybe. I wouldn't count it though. It doesn't really not really matching up with the neckline at all. The head's kind of iffy, and yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna say no on that one. I'm gonna say no, that's not an inverse head and shoulders. But you can see Bitcoin, we were talking about a possible dead cat bounce. With Bitcoin, it is still possible. It's still in effect. We could have had this, we had this drop 27%. We got above that resistance line, and it is possible for us to continue falling back down. And it wouldn't surprise me if we went back down to 42, maybe $45,000, but I don't expect it to be too much lower than this current low that we have right now at 47. We'll just say about $47,000. So that's possible. It's possible that we could just be gaining our grounds over here. We are going to be making a higher low, possibly somewhere over in this area, maybe at the 236, at $51,000. That may be the bottom right there. I do believe we are putting in some kind of consolidation pattern right now. This is going to be our resistance, whether that resistance is going to be like that or like that, wherever it might be. But I do believe we're forming some type of consolidation before we have a breakout to the upside. It's not a matter of if, guys. It's when Bitcoin decides that we're going to be moving back up to the upside. But let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals. We'll look at the data over here. So we've been in the red on our histogram for quite some time. We were about to get our cross over here. That cross can still happen. Price action is going to be king, so that's going to be happening first. But you guys already know we've been talking about this hidden bearish divergence for quite some time. We have positive momentum moving to the downside as price action's moving up. That's not good. At least for the short term, that is something that I'm going to be keeping a look at. Maybe possibly getting into some other coins. But if we go ahead and we take a look at Bitcoin dominance, we are below the 50% on Bitcoin dominance, and we are dropping. So we broke that resist or that support level at 50%, 50.74%. And hey, what's up, Steffi? Hey, thank you for the 10, dude. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hey, thanks for everything. Love your TAs. Can we do a TA on UMA? Yeah, you got it, dude. UMA, whatever it is. But yeah, definitely. I'll add that to the list right now. Thank you. Thank you, Steph. Really appreciate that. So yeah, dude, I mean, there's really not a lot of support, down here. I think the next level that we're going to be going down to is going to be that 44% area. But what's interesting with this, and there's kind of two indicators that are a little worrisome for me for Bitcoin, right? So we had our the 2017 bull run, and then after the bull run, you can, after that happens, the Bitcoin price, the dominance started falling, but it wasn't until about December until we hit our peak. And we fell down to around that same area right now, about that 50%. So let's go back over. Let's look at Bitcoin at its peak over here. So it was December of 2017. That was the peak of the bull run in 2017, derp. And, the 2017 December. So that was somewhere actually around the 61%, but you can see that previously before that we had, had dropped a good amount even from like February 17th. I'm sorry, February of 2017. It did take months, but the Bitcoin dominance was falling, but the price of Bitcoin was going up at the same time. are we experiencing maybe the same thing? Is that happening right now? Is the Bitcoin dominance falling, and then this is just maybe we go down and we touch the 39, maybe 40% on the Bitcoin dominance? Is the internet on? Yeah, no, we're on, we're good. And and then mixing that with a little bit of, and it's not a total reliable indicator, but if we go ahead and we pull up our pi cycle over here, the pi cycle did tell us that we had the top, and I told you guys that's not the top. There's no way. There's no way that's going to be the top for this bull run. We're only about halfway through. If we go ahead and take a look at the heat wave map, that's saying that we're only halfway through this bull run. That's a very short bull run for it to be over. I just don't believe it to be true. And you guys already know that the pi cycle was created over somewhere in this area over here. It was an indicator that was created by somebody, and it was an algorithm. They took the 111-day moving average divided by the 350-day moving average, which gave us these two lines, the red line and the green line over here, and it predicted the top over here, and it predicted the past two other tops previously before that. But I don't think this is the top. I really don't. And I know I'm kind of going against the TA, and I'm going against not necessarily logic, but just, I say it's all about the TA and you should listen to the TA, but that's only one indicator, right? That's only but mixing it with the dominance falling, it's I'm just gonna no, there's no way that this is the top. There's no way. I just don't believe it to be the top, and I feel like we still have a long ways to go with Bitcoin. So people are calling for a top right now, and I strongly disagree with them. Yes, we're having a correction. That's totally normal. I have no problem with what's going on right now. I'm not bearish about Bitcoin at all. Not bearish about it. Right now in the short term, maybe just a little bit, maybe over the next month or so, might be a little bit bearish. But after that, I am expecting to break 81,000, going up to $100,000 plus after that. So, there you go. That's Bitcoin for you. Who else we got? We got Saber. Hello, Saber. What's happening to Bitcoin right now? Well, you're having manipulation. This is just straight up manipulation within the market. You're having a lot of institutional buyers who are coming in. There was that news of Elon Musk. Well, actually, it was Tesla that sold 10% of their Bitcoin, but that was just to prove that, it was very liquid and that you were able to sell and buy very easily with Bitcoin. So that wasn't I don't believe that was a profit-taking area for them, even though they did take 10%. I think they were just proving a point, and they proved their point very well. That might have scared some people, might have scared some investors in the market. But nevertheless, this is clearly manipulation within the market. They're trying to suppress the price as low as they can because they know inevitably where this thing is going to be going. So that's what I personally believe is what's happening right now with Bitcoin. We got Osmond. Hello, is it too late to buy Polygon? Yeah. Yep. It's too late. It's gone. We talked about Matic a while ago, and we had the trade set up. I bought it at 40 cents, and I sold out at the breakout target. So I already sold my Polygon. I'm done with it. I made my profits, and it's time to move on to the next coin. I took a nice 80% profits on it, and that's it. And that's why we're here. We're here. I'm here to just find the money, go get it, move on. Find the money, go get it, move on. I'm not going to be attached to one coin. I'm not going to be like, oh my gosh, I love this coin so much, and I have so much faith in it, and I have hope in it. No, I'm not going to do that because there's so much, opportunity elsewhere that I don't care. I don't care about, what project does what or the use case. It doesn't matter to me. It's all about the TA. I'm only here to make money, and that's it. Now, there is one project that I will hold to the grave. I don't care. I will die with it. I will let it go to zero, and I will not sell it. And that's Ethereum. I'm not selling my Ethereum. Guys, I don't know how much more bullish I can be about Ethereum. And I know a lot of you are kind of like still, I know there's a lot of people in the community who are just not like big Ethereum people. I promise you'll get there. You'll start seeing the price and it'll start rising. And you guys are gonna be like, hey, is it too late to buy Ethereum? And then, it might be at that time, but Ethereum has such a long road ahead of it that it's not even funny. Ethereum's doing so good right now. Quite literally, if I were to take this and I were to inverse it, what would this look like to you guys? This would look extremely bearish, right? This would look terrible. This would look really bad. They'd be like, oh, we're making lower lows. Like, this is bad. Like, we're going down. We've been doing consecutively, and it just looking at this chart right here, like, right? Doesn't this look terrible? This looks bad. But if you flip it back over, That looks amazing. And this is exactly what's happening with Ethereum right now. It looks amazing. And it's just a matter of time before we break out of this price channel that we're in within Ethereum right now. You can see that this is a clear price channel that we're in. I could put a parallel channel in here and show you guys the heart line and stuff like that, but there's really no point to that. I mean, really the price that we need to get above is going to be that 28, maybe that $3,000 area. I do expect for us, for Ethereum to be butting up against this resistance repeatedly over and over before we have that breakout and we break $3,000. It's going to take some time. I don't care. That's fine. I'm going to be holding on to my coins for quite some time, but you can see how much resistance we've been holding up at that resistance area. We even popped through it over here on this parallel channel for a little bit, holding it, and then we jumped, and that was when Bitcoin had its correction. And then, you know, Ethereum just does not care. It's going to continue to go up. Looks totally different from Bitcoin right now. If we just take a look at the two charts, like we have one chart that made a low, you know, and then we have other, you know, this chart over here with Ethereum, and it's just making higher lows, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm 100% an Ethereum believer. I still think this is really cheap Ethereum that you can buy this at. Like I told you guys, if we look at the Bitcoin to Ethereum chart, and it's just what better setup do you want? You know, if you're willing to hold and you don't care, guys, if you want to wait years and you want to get into a coin and you want to make not guaranteed profits, but you have a really good chance of making really good money, it's Ethereum. Here's the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. I've shown you guys this multiple times, but it's just so beautiful how we had the retest. We came back and we're getting the resumption off. And here's my breakout target over here, guys. This is my breakout target for Ethereum, which is almost 19% of one Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's sitting at, you know, $100,000, that's a $19,000 Ethereum. It's not so far-fetched, guys. You know, we were talking about, gosh, Canada has like 4 ETFs right now. The US is working on getting an Ethereum ETF right now. Do you know what that's going to do for Ethereum? Do you understand? Yeah, okay, people can go onto their stock exchanges and go purchase, you know, Ethereum through the ETF. That's cool. But now what you have is you have companies who have like 401k benefits, you know, for all of their employees. And, you know, I guarantee you're going to have a lot of people who are going to be switching their 401k over to that ETF, that Ethereum ETF. And when that happens, guys, when we start getting the pensions and the 401ks, that is when the price of Ethereum is going to explode. But is it over? No. We still have so much room for growth. I'll get my words out eventually. When the banks start coming in, right? When the banks start using Ethereum as a custody, and you know, what was it? The OCC and the SEC already came out and they basically said, hey, banks are allowed to use a public or a private blockchain. Well, I've told you guys this before. They're not going to come up with their own private blockchain. It's not going to work. It's going to take too long to develop. So they're going to go with a trusted blockchain that's been in development and it's been in there for years. And, you know, they're going to be wanting to find a stable coin that they can use. Well, 80% of stable coins run off the Ethereum blockchain. Not only that, guys, but we have DeFi. You have NFTs. There's just so much to Ethereum. It's so undervalued that I do believe one day, Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin's market cap. Mark my words. Okay. I'm not right all the time. You know, I'm correct majority of the time. I'm wrong sometimes too. I'm definitely wrong, but I'm more right than I am wrong. Right? Yes, I do believe so. We made the call on Matic. I hope you guys are taking, you know, those benefits. If you guys were in here before, we called Matic and we said, hey, you know, look, this is pretty much going to happen. Well, it's up over 100% in like what, a week or whatever. Cool. What about BPro? We were talking about BPro too. That one's looking amazing right now. Still a lot of opportunity. I really hope someone requests Matic and BPro because I really want to take a look at those with you guys today. So, hey, what's up, Philip? Hey, Philip. Hey, Cryptic Grenade. What do you think about Main or Mantia? Could you do a Mantia? If you guys want to do a TA, read the description down below. We can totally do that. Let's see. We got Osman Diamond hands on Ethereum as well. Dude, do not move it, man. I'm telling you, man. You want to make some money? Leave it there. Leave it 5 years, 10 years, you know, whatever. I don't care. Drunken Streamer, with being that said, I'm still holding tons of his coins. You know, I see people coming on here and like, I'll take positions live on here. If I see a chart and I'm like, oh my God, this is like a buy right now, I'll go over and I'll go buy that coin. I did that the other day with Matic. and I got it at 40 cents. It hit our breakout target and I sold. I made my profit. It's still going up. Great. That's cool. I don't care. I made my money. You know, I'm happy with my profits and that's fine. Let it continue to go up. But whatever, you know, we can take a look at it and see where we're going to be going after that. But you know how it is, guys. You already know how it is. We got Henry. If you love it so much, why don't you marry it? What are you, 4 years old, bro? Come on.
Got him.
All right, we're going to go take a look at Uma, as requested by Steph E. Thank you for the contribution again. So I got a few different charts that we look at. Let's see which one that I've charted on here before. We got Uma. We're down a little bit today, no big deal. So this is the one that we had charted. Okay, cool. So we had the breakout. It's been a minute since we've looked at this. Let's go to the daily. What's going on? Cool. You got the retest. You got the touch there. We can extend this out just a little bit more, kind of like something like that. Cool. You got the retest. What was the breakout target? What did we have set up for this? I don't even know if we saved it. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at that, and then we'll see where we're going to be going, how it's looking. So we can take that from there to about right there. We take it to the breakout, which is about right there, and yeah, that's previous all-time highs, right about around that all-time high. So that it's, you know, that's something that we just need to keep. Is that a 3 rising valleys? I think that's a 3 rising valleys. Wow, beautiful. Look at this huge bullish pattern. First valley, second valley, consecutively high. Are they consecutively high? Yeah, you know, they are consecutively higher. Wow, this is beautiful. Here, let's take a look at this real quick. Here it is. Here, first head, and then we take this and we undo. Son of a gun. Hold on, we'll get it, I promise. Right here, first valley, we take that and copy it. Second valley, and then we do the third valley right over here. That's a 3 rising valleys if I've ever seen one. That's beautiful right there. Where's our neckline? Neckline is sitting about let's say about right about chong. Wow, that's really faint. Oh yeah, I changed that earlier. Guys, this is massively bullish. This looks really good just based off of that formation right there. That's beautiful. I do expect us in the short term to be coming up to the 29-cent area. We're not too far away from it right now. We're sitting at about 25 cents. So what are we doing in the charts? What's going on here? Okay, beautiful. We're on the daily right now. Dude, that's hidden bullish divergence all the freaking way. Look at this. So many variables to this coin right now. That's just showing us that we're going to be moving to the upside. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price actions moving up with the 3 hidden valleys in there. We got the breakout of the triangle. We're getting the retouch right now and we're getting the resumption. I don't know about you guys, but that looks really good to me. That looks really bullish. There's really nothing else to say that we're going up. We're going to be going up. No doubt about it. You know, we're sitting at the 48 on the RSI. Beautiful. You know, our stochastic is still way down here by the 20. It's at the 34 right now. Looks like we're about to have a cross. No big deal. I have no problem with that. But nevertheless, guys, we are going to be going back up. I mean, it's not a guarantee, but you guys already know. I say this. It's not a guarantee, but you know, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. You know, this thing's going to be going up. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I am going to be expecting this to be going back above 30 cents and then eventually going up and hitting our, I'm not 30 cents, son of a gun, $30. Getting above $30 would be really good in my opinion. And then after that, we're going up to 44 bucks. And is it going to stop there? Nope. It is not going to stop there. We're going to be going much higher. This is beautiful, beautiful accumulation, beautiful consolidation period, beautiful retest that we had, guys. This is bullish, guys. This is really bullish. Now, okay, that's good. That's good and all, but how's the overall performance? Okay, let's go from the bottom to the top over here. Okay, we were looking at this last time. It's gone up 540% since the beginning of the year. That's when it hit the top, right? Not the best performer, right? Not the best performer. So yes, everything's looking good. You know, if you want a less risky coin, maybe this is something that, you know, is for you. If you're a first time, you know, crypto holder, maybe this is something that you want to get into. It's less risk, more reward, but it's, you know, not going to be as rewarding as other coins right now, which I have a few that, you know, if anybody wants to take a look at, I can show you those coins, but it's looking good. It's bullish, but not the best performer, right? So would I take a position in this? Probably not. I probably wouldn't. Could I make money off of it? Absolutely. 100%. 99.9%. I got to leave that 1.1%, right? But I wouldn't be taking a position in a coin like this just because, and I'm not trying to dog on your coin, dude. Like this, like I said, this is bullish. It's looking really good, but it's not the best performer. It's not the best performer. It's the only reason. That's the only reason. Yes, I know. Like you could totally come over here and you could make, you know, an easy 20% or even going back up to all-time highs, which is 84%. That's beautiful. But that's going to take some time. Like that's not going to happen overnight. That's going to happen within the next couple of months, you know, maybe next few weeks that could be playing out. And there's so much more opportunity elsewhere to where I can get way more gains within that area. And I know I'm probably some spoiled crypto kid over here. I'm not even a kid. I called myself a kid. Jesus. But you know, anybody in the stock market would look at that and go, that's amazing. I'm going to take this position in 2 months. I can go up to 89%. That's crazy. I've never even heard of that. Like people wish that they can do 50% a year in the stock market. If you can do 50% a year in the stock market, you're a god. You're a freaking god. Nobody ever expects something like that. So are we spoiled? Yeah, we're spoiled. And I'm looking at this like, meh, who cares? You know? Nevertheless, it's a good looking coin. The TA is being respected very well. It's beautiful. That's it. That's it. You need to break above 30 cents. Once you can get back above 30 cents. Okay, wait. Let me backtrack here, okay? There is one initial resistance that you do want to get above, and that's going to be 27 cents, okay? 27 cents is a heavy resistance for you. You can see right here, it was support. It fell below right here. Resistance, and then it came down. Resistance, and then it made a higher low. Resistance, and then another higher low, but it, you know, it broke through a little bit over here. That's okay. Hey, what's up, Henry? Thank you for the 15, man. Welcome back. Good to see you in here, Mr. Holland. Let's see. He says Rune. I hope it's got some legs. Yeah, let's go take a look at it. Some Rune. Anyone ever used to play some RuneScape back in the day? I know when I was like 11 years old, man, I used to play RuneScape like all night. Such a fun game at the time. So yeah, 27 cents is going to be the area. It's actually 27.5 cents. Once you can get back above 27 cents, I don't think you're going to have any issues breaking that 30-cent area. When you can break above 30 cents, then yes, of course, after that, we are going to be looking at the 35-cent area, which is going to be the 618. Notice how it got rejected over here. That's totally fine. Do not expect to break through the 618 on our Fibonacci retracement so easily. It's going to take some time. Definitely going to take some time. So the first attempt over here to break through the 618 didn't happen. No dice, got rejected, but that was because of Bitcoin. Really, we know that. We know that. So it's just resuming its course. It's going to take some time for the recovery to happen, but nevertheless, Bitcoin dominance is falling and alt season is here. I don't care who you talk to. It is here. People are like, we don't know if it's here or not. How do you not know if it's here or not? All these other coins are going up thousands of percent. Of course it's here. It's definitely here 100%. So these are the areas. Now, if you don't do that, okay, this is something we got to be careful for because like I was talking about at the beginning of the video, Bitcoin could be, you know, going through a dead cat bounce. It could, and it could go a lot lower. Like I said, it could go down to $42,000. I hope it does. And I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I want to buy the bottoms. I want to buy the dips because I want to make my money and I want it to be volatile so that I'm able to swing trade and I can make some money. So that's my goal. Okay. We're, you know, regardless of the dips, guys, we're in a bull run. We're going up. I just want to take advantage and try to make as much money as I can. That's why you guys are here too, so we could try to make some money. Or sure. Okay. Yeah, I keep saying cents, dude. My bad, David. I was saying cents. Dollars, $30, $27. My bad. You guys know what I mean. You guys know what I mean. But okay, so if you don't break through $23 over here, dollars, if you don't break through $23 over here and you get the bounce up, then yes, I think you have a really good chance of coming up to the $27. And but if you fall below $23 and you start coming back down towards this way, it's not going to be looking good, especially if you start hitting that $20 area. If you don't catch support at that $20 area, it's not going to be looking good. And I think we're going to be changing our tone about this, but there's so many variables that are showing us that we're going to be moving to the upside. It's not even funny. It looks beautiful. I have no complaints about it. And yeah, definitely money that can be made here for sure. So who else we got here? Connor, welcome. Got to do GRT, man. It's either a rubber band or a slow burn. Dude, you know, GRT is just one of those coins that's just a long-term hold. It's something that you buy, you leave it, and you forget about it, and you come back in a few years, and you're like, oh my god, it's like $50 a token, and then you're like, then you're rich at that point. GRT is slacking. I don't think it's slacking. I just think it's not, you know, it's still within its boundaries. It's still very bullish looking. It's holding perfectly at the levels that we want it to be holding up at. But you know, GRT's, it's just going to take some time. I'm still bullish about GRT. I'm still very fascinated about the project. It looks really good to me. But guys, this is not bad. Like, this is not a bad thing. Like, this is perfect. It's what you want to see. I think for me personally, let's see, go over to the weekly over here, or the daily. I think that this is going to be a reversal right here. Personally, I don't think you're ever going to be able to get GRT for $1.13 ever again. Hey, Philip. What's going on, Philip? Thank you for the 10 euros. I really appreciate that. He wants to take a, how about man? How is it looking? Also, strong FA, new exchange listing, and products coming shortly. Cool. I know nothing about the FA. You guys already know I'm all about the TA, but I'm totally open to listen to the FA. That, you know, that can be a game changer for me as well. Like, you know, the fundamentals for GRT is one of the reasons why I'm so bullish about it. And then you look at the chart and you're like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Like, what more do you want? What more do you want on this? GRT is about to get its cross over here. I'm doing GRT because this is normally, I just do GRT for free. You know, I mean, it's just the coin that we take a look at. So yeah, you know, we're looking at about to get a cross over here. Eventually, you have to be patient, guys. These things don't happen overnight. This is not a Moon Boy channel. If you're coming in here and you wanted to like just make a bunch of money like right away, that's not why we're here. Okay, we're here to learn about TA. I'm here to teach you how to fish, so you can go fish on your own and go get your own fish, and you can make money like me. Straight up. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, go buy my book. I'm telling you, it's not a hard read. It's actually not that very long. It's like 158 pages or something like that. You'll be able to follow it very easily. You watch my videos, you watch my live streams, you read the book, which the book is like where is it? Right here. Boom. My book. Go read that. And I'm telling you, you can get it on Amazon. You get it in 2 days. Start reading it, start understanding it, really understand it, learn. If you want to start making money, go read that book. I'll tell you right now, watch my videos. You're going to make money for sure. I mean, I'm making money. How could you not make money? It doesn't make any sense to me. Ooh, Ethereum having a nice bounce right now. So anyways, I'm bullish on GRT, guys. It's just a matter of time before we can get back up to that $2 area. But once we break $2, it's going to be a matter of time. So anyways, so let's see, Steffi, what coins would you recommend? I mean, I could show you the coins. Someone's going to have to ask though. I'm not just going to like, I can't just give all away my secret plays, you know, I can't just give them away. Hey, Alejandro. Hey, thank you for the 10. Thank you for the $9.99. So it is a minimum of 10. So I'm going to need to see that extra penny. I'm just joking. That's awesome though. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That 10, dude. Thank you so much. Want to do a TA on, was that BitTorrent? Yes, sir. I will add it to the list. Absolutely. I got you, bro. Okay. We're going to move on. We're gonna go over to Rune. I don't think I've ever looked at Rune before. Let's look at the one calculated by TradingView. We're gonna go all the way down to the bottom here. We're sitting at $14. We are down 1% on the day, but it doesn't matter. Relatively pretty new coin over here. We do have, let's see, July of last year. Cool, awesome. It was down here in the, wow, this was, hey, Johnny, good to see you back here, man. Thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that. You want to take a look at VeChain? Adding it to the list right now. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Okay, so from the beginning of the year, let's see, January, somewhere about right there. What's the performance been like on this thing? Okay, not bad. We're up 1,300%. Not, you know, pretty good. Better than, you know, it's looking a lot better than UMA right now. It's almost double up what it's, you know, what it was at. So, but we're holding this 21 EMA very beautifully. You guys can obviously see that, holding it as support the entire way up. You did break down a little bit below right here, but then you had that awesome candle right there. Is that too small for you guys to look at? Boom, right there. Make it bigger. So looking really nice uptrend, beautiful, great. I want to get an overview on this. I've never done this coin before. What kind of supports are we looking at? Just simple trend lines, guys. Simple trend lines. The trend is your friend until the end. This is, you could make 80% of your trades based off of trend lines, straight up. Remember, horizontal trend lines are stronger. This is a parallel channel. Holy crap, this is a big parallel channel. Horizontal trend lines are going to be much stronger than diagonal trend lines. 100%. Where do I take that? Right about right, y'all. Then we got, look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at this beautiful parallel channel that this guy is sitting in right now. You definitely do not want to break below that parallel channel. That would just like change the trend. David Ross coming in with the 10. Thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate that. LOL, can you look at EGLD? Thanks, everybody. Smash the like button. He said that. I didn't say that. You can smash the like button if you want. If you don't want to, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, that would be cool. That'd be great, but I'm not here for likes. I'm here to provide TA and quality and benefits so that you guys can make money. The likes are cool because more people will get to see it. It'll like bump up the algorithm or something. I don't really know. I'm a newbie YouTuber, so I don't really know. But yeah, sure, if it helps, good. Do it. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. We got 17 likes right now. Oh, yeah, I got 17. I'm happy with it. But look at this parallel channel, guys. It's really beautiful. You can see the heart lines being held up and it's being respected beautifully right now. We have our support down here, and then we have the resistance right up top with our heart line being resistance and support. You can see it's been support right here. It got below it was resistance and then support, and then we got below it and then resistance. And we came down, we hit that support line down there, and boom, right back up to the heart line, got rejected and just rejected when we got above it over here. But look at that, beautiful, just holding the entire way over here on our heart line. You got back up, having a little bit of recovery. Awesome. You go right back up again, and look at this, you're still holding it as support right now, and you're above the heart line. Good, great, I love it. What's going on within the charts right now? Oh,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
This is looking so good right now. This is looking so good, and I'm willing to bet we're going to be breaking out of this parallel channel pretty soon, fairly soon, probably within the next couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks. We're going to be looking to break out of this channel over here. Beautiful negative momentum moving to the downside, as we do have our price action moving to the upside, guys. You already know this is hugely bullish. I love this chart right here, looking really good. Beautiful parallel channel, just a beautiful uptrend. And check it out, we were below the 20 over here on the stochastic RSI. And you could have taken, right when we shift over from that red to that light red over here on the histogram, that was a possible area where you could have taken a position. That would have been the bottom of this candle right here. You can kind of see this indecision candle, Japanese candlestick, where we have huge wicks to the upside, huge wicks to the downside, and then we have a very small body right in the middle. That's an indecision candle, but nevertheless, we did catch that support and we started moving to the upside. Well, had you bought that bottom and it was moving to the upside, you could have made 55%. Doesn't look like a huge of a move, but you could have made 55%. So that's looking really good. That's really bullish. So we have 1, 2, 3 variables telling us that we're really bullish about this coin right now. Not every coin is bullish. You're probably going to be hearing me say, oh, this coin looks bullish and this coin looks bullish, but there are some coins that we get on here and I'm like, yikes, that's not looking good. Like, for instance, New Cipher, it's not looking good. It's straight up not looking good. To me, it's kind of like, and that's really sad because we're in a bull market and it's not performing well at all. And I feel really bad. I feel really bad for the coin. Maybe we'll have like a ceremony or something for it, but okay, so far looking really good. You're not overbought. You're sitting at the 56 right now. So much room to the upside. It's not even funny. Okay. So the next area that I'm going to be looking for, I do want to take a Fibonacci on this, but I'm really indifferent on where I want to take it because we are going so parabolic. When you start coming into outer space like this and you're up this high, especially when you were down here in the, in the cents, you were at 35 cents, in November, and now you're up to $14. Like, dang, that's crazy. These things do start to become harder and harder to do TA on, but nevertheless, I do think I can try to do, pull something out of my hat here. So let's see, what do we got? Where can I take this Fibonacci? I don't even know if I want to take a Fibonacci. Maybe that's not the right move. Maybe we just, let's try it. Let's mess around. This is the whole thing about TA. This is what we do on TA. Mess around. We see what's going on. Okay, you know what? That looks pretty good. You can see that we're being held down by the 4618 and we're in between the 2618 over here. So $11.31 is going to be a really nice support for you. And then $15.43 is going to be resistance. Notice how we did get above it right here, but our candles did not close. They did not catch it as support. So we did not get the support. And that's why we started going back to the downside. So you're really close to the 4618 over here, $15.43 is going to be the area that we're going to need to get above. If you come back up here and you get rejected, well, there's not a whole lot of support and resistance in between that area, except for right there, which is going to be $13.03. That's going to be a really good support level for you. If you get rejected at the 1543, you come down. If you break below the $13.03, and yeah, you're going to be coming down to $11.31. If you break below $11.31, cut it off. It's not going to be looking good, and you might be having a reversal. You might be going more to the downside. But then again, hey, what's up, Johnny? Thank you for the additional $10. Really appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, you want to do fourth? Fourth governance? I know there's a couple different fourth ones. Just clarify that for me real quick, and we'll make sure we do the right coin. Okay. So, okay, right on. Henry Hollins. That's where when I bought. Dang, really, bro? That's pretty crazy. You bought down at 35 cents. Dang, bro, that's crazy. You must be sitting really pretty right now. Let me put back the parallel channel that we had in here, because that's going to be telling me, you know, what kind of resistances, or I'm sorry, what kind of supports we're going to be looking for within the charts, so that we know what's going on, where we're going to be, our exit strategies, maybe our entry strategies. Okay, boom, right there. So yeah, like I said, you know, and that's really confluent with the 2618. If you break below the 2618, that's going to take some time, and you know, that wouldn't be looking really good, but you better catch that as support. If you don't catch that as support, it's not going to be looking good. You're going to be going down and probably just recovering over here as you consolidate. Is it over after that? No, it's not. It's not over after that. It's probably just going to be taking a nice long consolidation period after the huge run up that it's had. You know, it's been going up continuously, just higher lows for quite some time, since November, right? So that wouldn't surprise me if that were to happen. Do I think that's going to happen? No, because you're looking so strong. You're above the heartline right now. Now, if it were the opposite, right? Let's say it was the opposite and you were looking at something kind of like this and you were below the heartline, right? All I did was just flip the chart upside down. That's all I did. If you were sitting somewhere like this and you were hanging out towards the bottom and you were bouncing, get rejected off the heartline and going down further, then yeah, that would look a little bit bearish, but that's not the case at all. This is, you know, the complete opposite. This is what the chart looks like. So that's really good. That's looking really beautiful. But like I said, you have resistance over here at $15.43. Excuse me. You have to break through that. You have to break through that. And I think by the latest, we're looking at the 6th, let's just say the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. Okay, by Cinco de Mayo, if you're not above 1543, then yeah, you're probably going to fall back down and be going to that $13 area, possibly over to that 1131 area. It's possible, very possible. But I think by that time, with the way your chart looks right now, you're looking really bullish. I do think you're going to be getting above $15.43, turning that into support, and then eventually coming over here and making a newer high, eventually trying to come up here and try to break 20 bucks. I mean, you know, it's going to take some time before you break 20 bucks, but that's not too far away, man. You're really not that far away from $20. Let's see, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. We're looking at about 43% of the way away from that. So not too far. So looking pretty good. Like I said, you have that hidden bullish divergence. You're really low on your stochastic RSI and you're not overbought at all. And you're in this nice uptrend. That's it, man. That's really it. So would I take a position right now? No, I wouldn't. If you're still holding, great, still hold. I see nothing wrong, see nothing bearish, but definitely do not take a position in this. I mean, you go do whatever you want. I don't care. You know, I'm just here to provide the data for you guys, but this is not somewhere where I would take a position in something. Not at all. Not at all. Now, if we get the breakout over here, right? And I know you're it's way down here at $14, but if we were to come up here and we got the breakout and we got the retest, yeah, you bet your ass I'm going to be taking a position right there for sure. Absolutely. And you know, by that time, my position, I'll be coming in at $41, but I don't have that certainty right now. And I know I could take a position right now at $14 and it could go up to that $40, $50 level, but I'm not going to take that risk. You know, I'm just not going to take that risk. So looking good, looking really good, Brune. Absolutely. Cool. Let's look over at Man. Never heard of it. Mana? Are we looking at Mana? Is that the right one? How about Man? How does it look? I'm pretty sure you're just talking about regular Man, not Mana. Let's see here. Let's clarify real quick. Philip, are we looking at Mana? Are we looking at Decentraland? Henry Holland, 1543 by Cinco de Mayo money. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that would be the absolute latest that I think it could hit 1543 for sure. Let's just make sure. Are we looking at Mana or are we looking at Man? Because I don't have a chart on Man, Philip. How new is this coin? Matrix AI. Okay. Let me see. I got you, bro. I got you. We're on KuCoin. Never heard of this coin. Never even heard about it. That doesn't mean it's bad. There's a lot of coins I haven't heard about. So let's see. Let's check it out. Looking over at Man now. Wow, it's super. Okay, no, never mind. I like this one. Hit BTC. Is this right? This is Matrix AI. Okay, got you, bro. We're right here. Is this it? Oh my gosh. Is this really it? Because if it is, this is amazing. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. California capitalist, cents interchangeable with dollars. I know, dude. I get them backwards. I need to be better about that. Dollars and cents. We're on a cent chart right now, so I won't mess that one up for sure. But let's just make sure that we're looking at the right one here. I'm gonna start doing a TA on it. We had a beautiful resistance line that we were trying to get above, multiple touches at that point. When you finally got above it, that is when you started going pretty parabolic at that point. But you can notice right here, resistance, 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 and you were being held down by this resistance since October of 2018. And just recently, March was when you broke through, and then you started creating this huge, beautiful flag or pennant or whatever the heck it is. But nevertheless, it's still beautiful. That's really bullish. What's going on the day right now? Let's see. That's a lot of data. Back it out, back it out, back it out. Let's see. And well, kind of, maybe you might have hidden bullish divergence there. Let's see. I want to just forget about that wick right there, because if I take the bottom of this histogram right here and I go up, you do have slight hidden bullish divergence right there. I wouldn't say it's anything like crazy. Probably not. It's very weak hidden bullish divergence, but nevertheless, it still is the divergence. You're sitting at the 51 right now. Lots of room to the upside. What are you doing right now? Are you consolidating? What's going on with this pattern here? It does not look like a cup and handle. The handle's too low. What is that? That's a very weird. You got rejected right here up at this level, right there. It was kind of like a fake out. It was kind of like, hey, we were moving back up, and then boom, people, whoever missed out selling over here, they sold back over here, and then that dropped the price. Bitcoin probably was over here and it started going back to the downside. So I'm actually professional at losing money. Well, then start watching more of my channel, capitalist. What the heck, bro? Don't do that. Jenny, bro, appreciate you. How do you live? Wait, how do you live of crypto? How do you live of crypto? What?
Nope.
I don't know what your sentence says. I think, do I live off of crypto? Is that what you're trying to ask me? Maybe. Would you consider making videos about trading? Yeah, I would. I actually been thinking about it for a while. I was thinking about doing a Patreon and having like a subscription basis where you'll get a certain amount of information, trade setups and stuff at like tier 1, and then tier 2 it'll be a little bit better, and then tier 3 is like you're trading just like me, and I give you trade setups. Like when things happen, I go in there, I write stuff up, I give you guys the details about why this coin's going to be going up, and then you guys do whatever you want. You take your positions, whatever. Yeah, I've been thinking about that for a while. Definitely been thinking about that. I'm the Fox. He doesn't recommend day trading. He just gives TAs. I do, but I mean, if you're at that level, if you've been trading for a while like me, then yeah, and you want to pay for it, or maybe you just want to go in there to get the trade setups. I don't care, but I hope that you guys have a little bit of, trading under your belt before just walking in there and start, taking positions on things that I'm recommending. But who knows? California capitalist, someone just requested a TA for Fort, so you'll need to see in a sec. I don't know. Yeah, someone, was it Fourth? Yeah, it was Johnny. He did say ample Fourth governance. Okay, that's what I thought we were going to be looking at. Cool. I just wanted to make sure. Awesome. Let's see who else we got in here. What do you think about Fourth? Thanks, man. We're actually going to be taking a look at that really soon here. But let's see, Jerry. I'm not talking about day trading, DeFi staking, Visa, flipping cycle profits, etc. Yeah, definitely consider doing something like that. That's a lot of work that I'll have to do because I need to set up that entire system, but I'm definitely down to do it. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. I'm not bearish about it. I'm not bearish about this coin right now, but with the very weak hidden bullish divergence moving to the upside, the rejection over here at about 20 cents. It does look like you are trying to go up. You are in an uptrend. You know, you're in an uptrend right now, so that's good. I do think eventually you will be going up and hitting that 19 cent area, that 20 cent area, given that your you know, your histogram over here is finishing up. You're about to get that bullish cross right here, plus your RSI. Your stochastic RSI is still really low, so a lot of momentum gets to be moving to the upside, and your RSI is definitely going to be giving you that room. You're not overbought at all. You're sitting smack dab in the middle. But the pattern's kind of weird. I don't like this chart that well. You might be doing something. Yeah, you know what? Maybe kind of something like that. But better yet, since we have a lot of data, we can go back and we can actually do a pretty big Fibonacci, but it's just really going to depend on where I'm going to be taking that Fibonacci. I want to go from the recent high to the recent low, so I'm probably going to be taking it from right here. Recent high, recent low. Oh, that changes everything. That changes everything very beautifully, actually. Wow. Okay. Long term, if we're looking at macro, I'm going to start changing my tone about this. The short term, I wasn't really sure, but it does look like you were putting in a consolidation pattern on the weekly. That's actually looking really good. Nice little flag, actually. So yeah, I'm going to start changing my tone about this. See how the different perspectives just help you out so much more. What was really beautiful about this wick that we had to the downside right here is you came down and you hit 6 cents and you touched that 21 EMA on the weekly. That's really good. That's really bullish. You got that bounce. So yes, I'm definitely bullish about this. But what's even more extraordinary about this token is that you were holding the 618. You broke through that 618. You actually broke through the 382, the 0.5, and the 618 over here. And you came back and you got the retest at the 618. Guys, that's really bullish. That's really good. And where you are right now, the fact that you haven't closed any candles below, sorry about that. The fact that you haven't closed any candles below the 786, which is this line right here, is actually really good, because typically what you want to see is you want to break through that 718 to 618, 78, god dang it, 618 to 786, and those are really the bullish doors to seeing higher highs. So the fact that you came down, you tested the 618, and then you got right back above it, and you've been holding the 786, this is typically a buy zone for me. You know, seeing this right here, that's really bullish. I really like the way that looks. So yeah, we're actually bullish about this. We're actually really bullish about this. Long term though, we're talking like 6 months to a year. Hold positionings on this coin before we can come up and we can see that 20 cent area, 32 cents, 51 cents. I do think you are going to be consolidating over here. You're going to be bouncing around for a little bit before that happens, but I definitely think by, you know, after summer, I do think you have a lot of potential of coming up here and hitting that 51 cents up there. So there are a couple of levels that you need to be checking out right now before we can even attempt to be going up to those levels. You definitely need to be breaking through your golden mean ratio, which is going to be, and you know what, this Fibonacci is way too long, so we're going to shorten it up. Do something like that. All right there. So you do want to break through the Fibonacci or the golden mean ratio initially before we can start feeling really good about it. You know what? No, I already feel really good about it. So breaking through the golden mean ratio right there is going to be 16 cents. I think once you can break 16 cents, then the 1414 is going to be nothing for it. It'll finally come up here and try to break that one. But really, that 20 cent area is what you're going to be looking for. Start feeling good when you break through 16 cents. If you come over here and get rejected at that 60 cents, that's fine. Get rejected at that 16 cents, but you better come back and you better turn 12 cents, maybe 13 cents into support. Catch that support right there. If you go lower than 10 cents, which is going to be the 786 on your Fibonacci retracement, you're done. You're gone. You don't want anything to do with it. You'll be breaking out of that pattern, obviously be breaking that support level, and you'll be going down much further, and we could take a measured breakout move, and it won't be looking good. It won't be looking good, but that's not what it's telling me. That's not what it's telling me right now. So those are our levels. That's what I want to be looking at. If you drop below 10 cents, dude, you got to get out. You got to get out. I'm not telling you what to do. This is not financial advice, but that's just what I would, that's what I would do. That's definitely what I would do. So yeah, anything above 12 cents, great. It's okay if you get rejected at 16, better come down and get that confirmation, come back up, try to break 16 cents. And once you can get above 16 cents and turn that into support, then I think you are ready to be breaking out of that 20 cent area. And then dude, when you break 20 cents, no joke, there's no resistance. Well, actually we have data. We definitely have data. Look at this previous data that we have over here. A little bit longer of a TA, but just because we have so much data. But look at this resistance that we had back here. You're touching it right now. I mean, you came up here and you touched it, and you can see how it was support back here. Support, and you drop below it. Then it became resistance at that point. So dude, when you break 20 cents, it's going to be insane. Like, you're really going to be going much higher after that. Yeah, you know what? That 2618 is actually pretty spot on. You'll be going up to between 30 to 32 cents after that. So you'll be jumping up 10 cents really quickly after that. And that's the only resistance that I'm seeing over in this area. But after that, there's let's see. You have a little bit of resistance over here at 35 cents. Let's clock that in. And then yeah, dude, after 35 cents, 51 cents. So really, dude, breaking through 20 cents is actually really huge for this coin. So we have our supports, we have our resistances. Be looking for that. We're looking good right now. I'm not bearish about this whatsoever. It's looking pretty good. Just gotta wait. Like I said, this is a long Fibonacci. Okay, we're going back a couple of years over here, 2019 of August, so maybe about a year and a half, but still, this is going to take some time. It's going to be moving to the upside. If you guys are liking this content, do me a favor, hit it, smash that like button. Really appreciate that. So yeah, that's about it, man. We have our supports, we have our resistances, and now we're going to be moving on over to BitTorrent, BTT. I don't think I've ever charted BTT before. Never, ever, ever. Let's take a look at it. Oh, wow. No kidding. Wow. It's doing really good over here. Doing really good. Is this the right chart? Let's just make sure. We could do it in the Korean won. You want to take a look at that? We'll just do the US dollar. Let's look at the one on Binance and Bitfinex as well. The charts are very different from that one over there. I'm going to go with one of these two. I think I'm going to go with one of these two for sure. Hey, you're welcome, Philip. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sure. Okay. BTT. We're on the weekly right now. Holy crap, dude. You've had quite the run up. Since the beginning of the year. Let's take a look at that. From the bottom to the top, 5,000%. You see what I'm saying? Remember, we're looking at UMA and only did like 500-600%. Well, this is up 6,000%. So huge difference over there. That's just the potential. I'm sorry, the 5,000, not 6,000. But good, looking good. You're in a bull run. Beautiful consolidation. I love it. Yeah, you're sitting below the 21 EMA. Who cares? Who cares? You're going to be eventually getting back above it. What are you in right now? Is that an ascending wedge? What is this? What is that? Might be a descending wedge. Ascending. Come on, bro. Yeah, it might be a descending wedge here, which is bullish. You're only on your second leg that you've gone up. So you had your first leg, your second leg. You're attempting to do your third leg right now. I think you are catching support at this bottom area. Your bodies love to be closing right there, and opening as well. So that's looking pretty good. You're actually, it is possible that you could fall back down. Yeah, definitely possible you could fall back down, going over to that 0.004 area. And so we're looking at, what is that? Half a penny? About half a penny, a little bit less than half a penny at that level. But what's going on? What are we doing? What's going on? Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. With that huge run up like that, like, why wouldn't you be bullish? We're ultra bullish. We are ultra bullish on this chart, dude. It is crazy bullish. It's not even funny. BTT, really? Wow, I never would have thought. Okay, cool. Badass, bro. Huge negative momentum moving to the downside. You're about to get your cross between your 12 and 26-day moving average. You've been printing 4 consecutive light red candles. That's really good, dude. You're about to get your cross somewhere over in this region. That'll be a bullish cross. I think when you get that cross, it'll actually happen before price action will happen, way before that even happens. And it's really close. Like, I'm talking about within a week. That's how close we are with BTT. But look at this momentum. Okay, so that negative momentum moving to the downside on the MACD, but then our stochastic RSI was below the 20, and the momentum is starting to move up, is a leading indicator letting us know that we're going to be getting a breakout. From my experience, that's just what I've seen time and time again. Right now you're sitting at the 49 on the RSI, dude. You have so much room to grow in this thing. It's not even funny. Like, we're ultra bullish because just that negative momentum is so steep and the price is so steep that the next move on this thing is going to be killer. It's going to be killer. You've had great consolidation periods within here. Like, you've had 2 really good consolidation periods in here, right? So you have this first consolidation period. Now you have this consolidation period right now. And, you know, it's just a matter of time. It literally is just a matter of time. I think areas that you do have to get up above before you can even attempt to be breaking out of here, you need to get back above 0.008 cents. So almost 1 penny. But this thing is definitely going to be going back to a penny, if not even further to the penny. That could be a bull flag. It definitely could be a bull flag. Let me just check. I liked the descending wedge or the descending wedge better. That's not really lining up for me unless I can go to a 4-hour and then I can see. No, I like the descending wedge. I think that one's a little bit better. Not too big of a wedge, right? You know, but nevertheless, it's still a wedge. I wish it was a flag so I can give you a breakout target. I can't really give you a breakout target for a wedge like that, but nevertheless, we're still bullish. So when you get the breakout, you're definitely going to be breaking that 1 penny. And then I think, personally, I think after that, you're going to be going up to right there. Let me get over here. Right there. And then after that, we will be taking on 2 cents. This is going to be about right there. So, and that's just based off of psychological resistance, right? We don't really have anything else to go off of. So we go off of psychological resistance, which is this horizontal. It's going to be strong and it will play out. I've seen it time and time again where I just go back to charts and my lines, they just, with the psychological resistances, they just play out so beautifully. So I don't think you're going to be falling below anything below the 0.006. But that's if Bitcoin drops, and yes, you are going to be seeing that and it's going to be ugly. And then at that time, you're just going to need to
Smoke weed every day.
because it's not going to be good. It's not going to be good at that point. So, but you're looking good right now, man. I think you are catching your bottom here. You can see the shift of momentum that's happening. You're starting to kind of get this up curve just a little bit, but eventually when you start getting this third leg up, don't expect it to break it right away. It might take some time. You might just be hanging out at this resistance level before you get the breakout, come back at the retest. And then, yeah, I do think you're going to be going back up to that over 1 cent area. Then you'd be going up to that 1.5 cents, then that 2 cents after that. That's not so far-fetched. We're not actually not that far away from it. We're about 100% away from breaking that previous all-time high, 117% away from a penny and a half, and then you're like almost 200% away from breaking 2 cents. So very possible, very realistic, especially with the uptrend that you're in right now and that hidden bullish divergence. So those are my price targets, dude. There's my support right there. Do not break the support. Straight up. You could, though. You could. I don't want to say like don't do it and then it's bad. You could break down below it and you can come back and get another touch. Would I be bearish at that point? No, I wouldn't. But I definitely want to see you get back above this area. And then when you get back above the area, turn it into support. And let's have an attempt to break out of that resistance right there. So that's always a possibility. But I don't think that's going to happen. I just don't see that happening on the daily, dude. Like with that hidden bullish divergence, you're about to get that cross. Like I'm thinking you're going to be breaking out of this resistance area and going up to those levels. I'm actually fairly confident about it, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to talk about bearishness unless Bitcoin drops, dude. I mean, that could happen. Bitcoin could just take a dump and then you're done, you know? Or, I mean, you're not done, but like it's going to be going down. So, and then this whole TA is negated. That could happen. And I tell everyone that all the time. Be careful. Bitcoin could take a dump. We could have that dead cat bounce and go back down to $42,000. And then, yeah, I can definitely see you coming back down and touching the support line. And if it does, you better get back above right there. That's it. That's it. You're looking good right now, man. BitTorrent's looking good. I think that's BitTorrent. BTT? Pretty sure it's BitTorrent. If not, I'm sorry. Not like it really matters. You got the TA though. So for sure. Let's see. We got Slow Coach. When do you think GRT will pass 350? Well, we got to get above $2 first. When we get above $2, then yeah, I think we're going to Pi. I think we're going to be going to the 3.14. But I think this summer, I think for sure this summer, midsummer, maybe late summer, that can definitely happen. RP and Co. What's up, dude? Good to see you in here. He says, "Sup, Leland? Sorry I'm late. How about that Matic run up?" Yeah, dude. I'm just, hey, I'm just here. I'm just a guy looking at the screen, providing you data. And if you made some money, good. If you didn't, listen and you didn't get in on that trade, then good. Not good, but there's other opportunities. No need to worry. We can definitely find other opportunities. I'm still waiting for someone to do a B Pro TA. I want to show you B Pro. So gosh, someone do it. Someone pull the trigger and let's do B Pro, and I'll add it to the list. But anyways, let's go take a look at VeChain. VeChain doing things. That's it for BitTorrent. Show. So cool, dude. We're still in this pattern over here, looking good. We're still consolidating. We still need more data for VeChain, but what is good is that you were able, let's go to a 4 hour. I want to show you, you were able to get above the 382. That is something that we were talking about back here. We were looking to try to get above that 382, but look what you did when you got above that 382. You came over here and you touched the 618. Dude, bullish. That's great. You're knocking on the doors. You're looking for that momentum and that move that's going to be going to the upside. Like, what more do you want? You can previously see that the 382 over here was support / resistance. We came up, we ran into that resistance right here. We tried breaking through it, we couldn't do it, and then we got above it, and then we turned it into supports, and then we came over here, turned it into support, and then we fell below, and then it was resistance, support, resistance, 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 support, and then right now you're holding it as support right now. That's really good. Okay, that's really good, especially because you came up and hit the 618. Now let's have an attempt to come over here and break 20 cents. That's not that far away. That'll be getting above the 21 EMA. You'd be looking really good at that point. What about in the daily? Oh, dude, you came down and you touched the 21 EMA perfectly on the daily. Like, that's so beautiful. Look at all that buying right there. That's gorgeous, man. Yeah, dude, this is looking good. This is looking so good. Okay, let's look for price targets that we're going to be looking forward to the upside. And then I'm thinking by, dude, Cinco de Mayo. I'm thinking by Cinco de Mayo, dude, we're going to have a breakout with this thing. Probably a little bit before. But Cinco de Mayo is going to be a good week. Is that a weekend? What is that? Let me see. Cinco de Mayo is falling on a Wednesday. It's going to be a good Wednesday. It's going to be a good hump day. Definitely going to help you get you through your work week when we start getting that breakout to the upside. Now, I have not looked at indicators. I have no idea. I don't know what the oscillators are doing, but just based off this, it's looking really good. I mean, you're within the pattern. You're within this bullish pattern, this bullish, pennant, asymmetrical triangle, whatever the hell it is. Let's go look. Okay, beautiful. Look, you're sitting below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, looking good. You're sitting at the 46 on the RSI, not looking too bad. Wait a minute. Go to the daily. I need to go to the daily. That's where we need to be. Okay. So, dude, come on. Like, what are you worried about? You have nothing to be worried about with this thing. Like, look at that negative momentum moving to the downside. Price action moving up. We're seeing this so much. A lot of these charts are looking the same right now because it follows Bitcoin. That's what it does. And it's alt season. Like, we're expecting this stuff to be happening. Dude, it's so bullish. I'm willing to bet you're going to be getting the breakout of this and you're going to be going up to 24, 30 cents, 35 cents after that. And it's just going to take a little bit of time. And I seriously think you can do that in May. I really think VeChain could do that in the month of May. Negative momentum moving to the downside, price action moving up, hidden bullish divergence. That's a leading indicator telling you it's going, hello, we're going to be moving up. Take your positions and get on the rocket before we take off because it's going to be looking really good. So yeah, below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Let's get that momentum move after we start curving out over here and we start approaching next week into that, Monday to Wednesday area. I'm going to say Monday to Wednesday. Between Monday and Wednesday, I'm going to be expecting for us to be coming up and hitting that 20 cent area, 21 cents, and eventually breaking through 22 cents, coming back, turning it into support before we have the takeoff. Straight up. You were overbought, you're consolidating, and now you're sitting at the 54 on the RSI. So, dude, we're bullish. We're bullish on this freaking thing. It's looking really good. It's looking beautiful. Okay, price targets to be looking for, areas to be looking for supports. Try to hold that 18 cent, that 19 cent area as support. Looks like you are running into it right now. That's okay. You could totally come back down and touch the 236, which is at 16.5 cents. That's fine too. That's totally fine. I have no problem with that. But as we approach the apex of this triangle, which is going to be about right here in this area, like what I said, between, you know, like Monday and Wednesday, you know, that's going to be really, you want to start moving your momentum up towards this area, hanging out towards the resistance. That's when it's going to start looking really bullish. But, you know, if we were to flip this chart upside down and we were doing something like this and you were hanging out towards the support, then no, that would not be looking good. And that's suggesting that we're going to be having a breakout to the downside. Okay, great. We're bullish. It looks good. Where are we going? Where's this thing going? Okay, that's what I want to know. Go back to a 4-hour. And we'll take a measured move. Ooh, where do I take that from? I'm going to be conservative. Okay, it could totally go way higher than this, which it probably will. Totally probably will. And let's take it over to Cinco de Mayo, which is about, I can see my date. We'll take it to the 4th. We'll take it to a Tuesday. I want to take it to the midpoint of where I think that's going to be happening. Well, you get the breakout of this. It's going to take some time. It won't happen overnight, but you are looking at a 35-cent V chain. Yeah. Yep. And that's just the breakout target. Okay. When you break through the 786 over here, which you're going to be setting yourself up, when you break through that 786 over here and you break previous all-time highs, I'm going to be expecting for you to go up and hit 60 cents after that, which is going to be somewhere over here. And a lot of people are like, Leland, dude, you're crazy. Like, that's like crazy predictions. Like, dude, we've done this before and a lot of my charts play out, and that's eventually what ends up happening. You're at 18 cents right now. Going up to 60 cents, not that far-fetched. Not that far-fetched, especially because that's 218% away. That's not that big of a deal considering the 5,000 that you've been up over the past year. Or, you know, I mean, wait, where was, oh, that was the other chain or the other coin. How much have you been up this year? Take it to first, right there, about right there. Okay. Take it to about right now. We go up. You're up over 1,400%. What's another 200%? That's not far-fetched at all. That's the breakout target. Huge. Oh, dude, yes. Dude, I'm so excited. Oh,
My man.
You'll see it. It'll pop up. So, dude, that's our breakout target. Yes. Dude, I'm so excited to show this for you guys. So excited to show you. Thank you, Philip, for the 10 euros, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you, my friend. Let's take a look at BPRO. I'm going to be adding it to the list over here. We're still 3 coins away from looking at it. So next, we're going to be taking a look at EGLD, then Fourth, and then BPRO after that. And if you would like to see a TA, don't be afraid. All you got to do is ask. So we have our supports. We have our resistances. Let's get some more data, okay? Let's come back next week. I'm going to be gone this whole entire weekend. I'm not going to be here this weekend, and I'm not going to be here next weekend either. I'm doing stuff. I'm going to be busy. I'll go get me a nice massage. I need to relax, and I'm going to be taking, that next weekend, I'm taking it off, and I'm going to be going, I'm not going to be saying where I'm going to be going or what I'm going to be doing, but I can't wait. It's going to be super relaxing, and I need it so bad. But I will be back here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I'll be here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and come back, dude. Let's take a look at VeChain and see where it's going to be going, because I think it's going to be having a breakout to the upside. Okay, we have our supports. We have our resistances, and that is it, my friend. Let's move on to EGLD. Ricardo, B Pro, bro. Thanks, Philip. Dude, nice. Good job, Philip. See, you're being praised in the chat. Good job for you. Good for you. Sell GRT? Look, man, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'm not selling my GRT. Hell no. Jeremy, yo, what's up? Bitcoin dominance below 50. Yeah, dude, it's alt season. We're clearly seeing it right here, right? Bitcoin's the only bearish looking chart. All these other altcoins, have you heard me say like, oh, look, we're bearish on this altcoin? Well, I mean, unless you're a new cipher right now, and then it's like, ugh, it's not looking good at all. Yo, let's go, Ethereum, back up above. Look at that huge bounce that we just had on this 4-hour. We went all the way back down to 2681, and we're at 2766. Let's go. Hell yeah. You guys already know how we already talked about Matic. If you missed out on that, I'm sorry. That sucks. But I pretty much looked you guys straight in the face, and I was like, go buy this coin. It's going to pump. And it did. Straight up. And it did. New cipher up 2% on the day. I don't care. It needs to do a lot more for me before I can start feeling bullish about it. If we can get back above 60 cents on new cipher, and we can turn that into support, I definitely will be buying in, but I'm not buying in right now. No, sir. No, sir. Okay. What are we doing? EGLD. That's right. Love this chart. Looks so beautiful. Yeah. I have 3 different charts over here. I want to see which one we had been looking at. Was it the first one? Yep, sure was. Okay. Okay. We still have not hit the breakout target for EGLD. We still have not hit the breakout target. We came over here. This was April 12th. So a couple weeks ago, we came up and we hit, was that $245? My breakout target was to be going to $279. So we still haven't hit it yet. Is the breakout target right at where it should be? Should be. Let me just make sure. Let me put it right there. Yeah, still same area. Same area. You can see we're still holding this trend really beautifully. We did get below it for quite some time, maybe like a day or two, but that's okay. No big deal. We're back above it. We're back to 21 above the 21 EMA on the 4 hour, looking really good. You still need a little bit more work to get above the 21 EMA on the daily. Nevertheless, that's still looking good. I mean, we're having low, higher low, higher low, higher low right there. That's nothing wrong with that. Looking really good to me. You are between the 618 and 786 right now. Okay. You're right there. You're knocking at the doors. You're ready. You're ready to take off. You must hold $171. You're at $175 right now. You must hold 171. If you do not hold 171 and you break down, you're going to be going down to 155. And I will not be feeling good about this chart anymore. Will not be feeling good about this. So is this a good buying opportunity right here? Possibly. You know, it's a bullish looking chart. It's looking really good. Just because we're below the 21 EMA doesn't bother me whatsoever. But let's see what you're doing right now. And it's the same thing. It's like I'm looking at the same chart for everything because it's alt season. It's alt season, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Negative momentum moving to the downside. Price action moving up. Bullish. Hugely bullish. You were below the 20 on stochastic RSI. You're starting to get that momentum up. You're about to have your crossover here. Price action is going to be king. I'm willing to bet within 24 hours. This thing is going to be having a move that's going to be going up probably. Okay, this is ballsy to say, but I'm going to say within the next 24 hours. Damn, that's putting my rep on the line here. Do I want to go that soon? Let's say 3 days. Let's say 3 days. I want to say 24 hours. I want to say 24 hours until you hit $200. Okay, that's not that far away. Totally could do it. Totally could do it. But I'm gonna extend that out to 3 days. Be a little bit more conservative because dude. Like you're so set up for that. You're so set up for that right now. We still have to go hit our breakout target, man. We haven't done it. We have not done it yet, and eventually we will go hit that breakout target and surpassing it and going past $300. So in the short term over here, dude, you need to be holding 171. You have to hold 171. I'm so serious about that. You get below that and it's ugly. It'll get ugly really quickly after that. And then you need to break through 193. I think once you could break through 193, 200 will be no problem. And then that's when you start taking off, but you got to come back and get that retest at 193. When you can get that retest at 193, that's just below $200. I think you'll have that enough momentum to break through $200. No problem. Excuse me. No problem. But yeah, dude, you're looking really good. There's your support. Okay. There's your support. Then our resistance right there. Come over here, turn that into support. Turn $200 into support right in this area, and then 221, and then we're looking at 257, and then 276, and then 303. Yeah, I do think we can hit $300 really quickly, actually, very quickly. Probably within the next few weeks, couple weeks, maybe a few weeks. I think we can hit $300. No problem. Go right back up to those levels, and then, dude, when you break through a 3 year in outer space. When you break through a 3 year in outer space and you're going to be going, this is where you see the most gains in coins. This is where between this area right here, because there's no resistance after $300 until 435. And then after 435, there's nothing until $700. I know you're like, dude, come on, $700. Yeah, dude, you're not that far away. You're really, I know you're at 175 right now, and that's a lot of percentages away, but dude, relatively speaking, that's not that far away. That's only 300%. Okay. Look what your coin has done all of this time. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. You had a huge run up over here. You had a consolidation period. You had a little bit of a dip over here, and then you broke all time highs. So then you shot right back up. And right now you're having a little bit of consolidation period, and then you give it some time, and then it'll shoot right back up. And then, dude, that's what I'm talking about. Like, this thing could easily hit $1,000 by the end of the year. Easily. Straight up. Okay. In 1 year, how much has this stuff done? Dude, in 1 year, it's gone up 43,000%. Okay. Like, why wouldn't this go to $1,000? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, it's just, there's so much room for it that it's not even funny. So we're mega bullish about this. Hidden bullish divergence. You're set up, dude. You're absolutely set up. I don't know where you took your position on this, but you're looking stupid beautiful. And this is actually probably one of those coins. Okay. See the difference between, and I'm sorry to dog on your coin. Okay. UMA, UMA, right? The 500% gain that we had versus 43,000%. Like, there's just so much more better opportunity out there for you to be making money in the crypto space. And if you want to learn how to do this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new. If you don't believe me, ask the chat. Ask the chat. Chat, have we been hitting our targets? Have we been, and I'm talking about targets to the downside and the upside. It's not just one way, right? You know, if we're going down, I'm going to tell you we're going to go down. If we're going up, I'm going to tell you we're going to go up. And we're in alt season right now. So yeah, we're looking at all these altcoins and they're just looking stupid bullish. They're just looking really bullish right now. And those are the facts. That's not my opinion. That's the data. That's the data within the chart. I'm just applying that other guys have come up with these techniques with trend lines and Fibonacci's and the divergences. And I'm just applying that knowledge that I learned to the charts and I'm sharing it with you. It's not my opinion. It's not. So that's what I think is going to happen. Whoever supports, I think that's where we are going to be going. And I really hope we come back in about a month or 2 months and we see where this price is. And I'm going to go ahead and save this chart. And I'm going to put my price target at 333 and $700 right here. And we're going to put arrows right there. We'll come back. We'll take a look at it and we'll see where it's at. Looking good. There's so much money to be made in this space, guys. There's so much money to be made in this space. You want to double your stuff? You want to triple your money? This is so possible. 10x your money? Yeah. Yeah. That could definitely happen. You know how many millionaires were made in 2017, 2018? Just a bunch of punk crypto kids who just made a bunch of money. A lot of them went to jail because they didn't pay taxes. Oh, get burned. Let's see. Fourth right now. Looks like you are. Is that the right one? Hold up. Oops. Yeah, that's the one. Coinbase, USD. Yep. Here it is. Okay, here's fourth. We're on the daily right now. Has anyone ever requested this coin before? Is it really that new? Guys, is it really this new? I know it got listed recently, but was this ICO for the coin or was that just Coinbase? Hold on. Let's see if Binance has a bigger chart. I don't think it was released. Oh, it was. Is it that new? Guys, can you confirm this real quick? Who requested fourth? I know it was Johnny. That's right, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, confirm for me, dude. Was this ICO like this month for this coin? Let's read some. I want to read some of the chat because I haven't been able to hang out with the chat much. I like hanging out with the chat. So let's see. Be pro. Okay. Tommy, good to see you in here, man. Dude, I love it when you come in here. I'm coming into 15K, contemplating what I should throw it into. Tommy, you're going to want to watch, after fourth, you're going to want to watch this coin that we're looking at. Okay. Cause I'm seriously thinking about taking a huge position in this coin. You're going to want to look at this, Tommy. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm going to share the data with you and your brain's going to explode. It's going to absolutely just gonna blow up. Do you hold one? No, I don't hold one. I don't. Do I want one? Yeah, I do. I made the call. I don't know if you guys remember, but I made that call for one and it hit. It hit our target and exceeded, and I was really disappointed about it. But I can't be in every trade, right? I see all these opportunities elsewhere and I just try to find the best opportunity and I throw my money at it and we'll see where it goes. Yeah, look at Ricardo's even selling you B Pro. Yeah, B Pro is going to be the highlight of this live stream for sure. Would you take a position in VeChain right now, Leland? Let me see. I know you just looked at it, but I have to where did VeChain go? No, I wouldn't, because I never trade within a pattern, right? Ricardo, was that Ricardo who said that? I'm sorry, it was Johnny. I wouldn't. And not because it's not looking good, but because we're within a pattern. I never trade within a pattern, right? I want to see some kind of confirmation, some kind of breakout. So if VeChain does get the breakout, then yeah, dude, I can easily make, let's see, 62%. Yeah, I'll definitely take that position right there, but you got to get the breakout. You got to get the breakout. And then once we do that, when we can get above, probably where I would take my position, Johnny, is when we break through 25 cents and we turn that into support. When we do that, dude, I'm in right there. But if you're still holding, hold, because that's looking bullish. Definitely looking bullish. California capitalist, Leland's word is law. I mean, it's not the law, but like, I don't mean to sound or blow smoke up my own butt, but it's like, all I'm doing is sharing the data. That's it, guys. That's all I'm doing. This is what I do for my trades. This is how I make money. I think somebody was asking if I live off of crypto. Yes, I do. I live off of crypto. And I live off really well. I do. I have a good life. I have a great life. So it's just so much money to be made in this space. I have a big bag. Nice. You have a big bag, David? That's what's up, dude. Gotta get those bags heavy. Fibonacci, don't lie. It really doesn't, dude. I mean, Fibonacci is probably one of the most reliable indicators that I use, and that's why I use it. I have a handful of indicators, right? You guys know this. I go with trend lines, Fibonacci, MACD, stochastic RSI, and RSI. That's it. I keep it simple. I put all those together because personally for me, that's what works best for crypto, right? Now, if I were to do something like that, this wouldn't work that well for stocks. If I were to go over to stocks, I would be using money flow, and then I would be using stochastics. And so it's a different recipe that you put together of, indicators that just work really well. Like those 5 indicators for me, they work beautifully. Other people use different things. Other people use like harmonics and stuff. I know harmonics are a great way to see reversals or possible, upside potentials. I think harmonics are great. I just personally don't choose to use them. That's just, I like to keep it simple for people because harmonics get a little bit more complicated. It uses Fibonacci, but like you have to become really good with Fibonacci before I think you can start using harmonics. And I don't want to teach that for people who are coming in here because I know a lot of you guys are new, not all of you, but a lot of people in here are new and they're looking for guidance. They're looking for those positions, those setups and stuff like that, which is why I don't include, these technicals that are, these indicators that are so technical and that are hard. This is easy, straight to the point. It works and it's all you need. It's really all you need. So that's why I do that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, silly. Jeremy Evans, the Fibonacci. Oh, of course, we just read that. 800 EGL, got it in at 50. Yeah, dude, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing hit $1,000 by the end of the year. Would not be surprised whatsoever. Probably exceeding it. You never know. We have Omega Chad. Looking at this chart, the rocket already took off on what? Were we looking at EGLD at that time? I mean, it did. But there's still so much more room to the upside. Okay, we need to go do fourth. I wanted to hang out with the chat for a little bit. I think I was almost done reading all of the comments over here. B Pro, yeah, we're getting to it, man. I promise. Fourth is a native governance token that powers Ampleforth, the protocol that automatically adjusts supply of its native token Ample in response to demand. Okay, cool. But was it ICO? Is it really this new? Because that's all I got. And if this is the data that we have, it's going to be kind of hard to do TA on. I'm just telling you straight up right now, it'll be hard to do TA on this because I don't have that much data, dude. I got like 2 weeks of data. That's it. Not even 2 weeks, dude. I got like 9 days, 10 days of data over here. I'll try to do my best. But I'm telling you, love the book. Thank you, Adam. Thanks, dude. Thanks for buying the book. Yeah, dude, it's a good book. It's a really good book. Gave some copies to friends new to TA. Dude, tight. Dude, you bought the book from Warp, like your friends too? What a good friend. What a really good friend. Okay. We're looking at fourth right now. I believe this was ICO. April 21st. Looks like we do have a nice base over here. Okay. Now this is very small data, not a lot of data. So I'm not going to be able to do too much with this, guys. I'm just telling you right now, be careful with the tokens that you request, because when you have tokens like this, there's really not that much I can do with them. I can create some supports and resistances, but the less data I have, the harder it is to do TA on. Way harder. Okay. So just keep that in mind. We have to go to a 4-hour. Actually, probably I'm going to go to an hourly chart because it's so new. Probably when GRT came out, I was on the 15-minute chart because it's so new. I didn't know where I was going to go. And I had to constantly be on it. And then the more time that it gave me, I was able to back out. But with these new tokens, you got to zoom in. You got to zoom in over here. So we do have some nice support over here, nice resistance as well. You can see that this $31 area has been really good support. You got the support right there. You had this downtrend and then you broke it. You broke that downtrend, and let's see. Yeah, you did. Right about right there. Yeah, about right there. You broke this downtrend. You were consolidating. It looks like GRT a lot, actually, which is kind of funny. Like when GRT was in its beginning stages, this is like how I feel like I was charting GRT at the beginning. But those are new tokens for you. That's what new tokens are going to do. We have our supports down here. $31.86 is a really good support level. We have resistance up here, and we clearly have some big resistance up here. Okay, guys. So huge support right there. Support, and then support, resistance. All throughout here has been resistance, and you haven't been able to get back above it since the 25th of April. Which is going to be at $38.61. Once you break $38.61, turn that into support, then yeah, there's literally no resistance up until $44. And then after $44, the next resistance that you have, gosh, yeah, it's way up there. Okay. It's $52. Gosh, this thing really started out super high. Where did it go up to? Almost $100, and then it fell all the way back down to 36. Could be an opportunity. Really could be an opportunity. I know the market cap is super low on this coin. It's like 150 million or something like that. Maybe. Hold on. Can I verify that? Give me one sec. Really, I mean, it's not that important, but I mean, for me, I want to know what the potential of this coin has. It's 218 million. 218 million. So not too far off. But dude, that's small. That's a very small market cap, especially for a coin on Coinbase. So yeah, that's where I think we can go. Where are we going right now, man? It's going to be hard to tell. It's going to be really hard to tell, but I'm trying to do my best here. You see, I'm on the 4-hour, and there's just no data. There's just no data. Let me see if I can go to an hour. Go to an hour over here. You know, it's just, it's just hard, man. It's hard to do TA on something that just has no data. I can't give you an honest, definitive answer on this, man. I'm sorry. I just can't. I have supports and resistances, and that's it. That's all I got. Next resistance after that, $60, and I can't even. I mean, maybe. I mean, you might be able to do this one over here, $77. But dude, we have a lot of work. We have a lot of data that we need to put into this. I know nothing about this coin. It's a small market cap, so dude, it could definitely go up really quickly. Definitely go up. But one thing that I can tell you, I think we have broken this resistance that we were trying to break out for quite some time, and we're starting to get that uptrend. This might be the beginning of where we start having that uptrend, kind of like on where we GRT, when GRT hit 28 cents or 25 cents or whatever. That might be kind of like where GRT was down here when it hit $31. That might be GRT's 25 cents, you know. It just really depends. But like I said, dude, I'm really sorry. That's really all the data that I can give you on this coin. That's it. I'm sorry. I wish I can give you more. I just don't have it. So who requested that coin? It was Johnny. Yeah, Johnny. I just don't have it for you, man. Sorry. Let's come back. Let's come back and look at it. Let me read the comments right there. Really like your videos. Appreciate the knowledge. You're welcome, Carlos. Thank you, dude. Appreciate that. California Capitalists. Oh, okay. No, that's where I left off. Perfect. That's going to be juicy. 618 bounds. Yeah, dude. I think we're EGLD. Yeah, it will. Definitely will. Looking at the charts. Look where I take off. Where did I take off? It's that new. Okay, gotcha. Well, it just looks that new then. Describe the type of pullback you expect after this bull run. With Bitcoin. Bitcoin will go back down to $42,000. That's the kind of pullback I'm expecting. Adam, love the book. Oh yeah, we talked about this. Cool. Where can you buy B Pro? We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about that next. So hey, Johnny, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this, Johnny. Next time you come in here, let's wait a couple of weeks, okay? The next time you come in here, I'll do a free TA for you on this coin, okay? So come back in a couple weeks, whenever. I don't care. Let's get some more data on our belt. I want you to come back and request some more about this maybe next Friday. Oh, I won't be here Friday. So let's talk about, come talk to me mid-May, okay? I'm going to be live. You already know it. Come back mid-May. Let's talk about this coin. I'll do it for free at that time, okay? Deal? I think that's fair. Let's get some more data before we talk about it. Anyways, for sure. Okay, we're moving on to B Pro probably, and then after B Pro, guys, we're going to be slowing it down here. So I really appreciate all the contributions. Thank you so much, but we're going to be slowing it down. No more contributions after B Pro, and if you do send something through, we're going to save it for the next time, which I'm not going to be able to. I'm not going to be here until Monday. So like I said, I'm going to be gone this weekend. I won't be able to do a live TA for you until Monday. So please hold all your contributions. I appreciate you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. And
Okay.
yeah, that's it. B Pro, dude. Oh my god. I hope B Pro's still looking good right now. I hope it's still looking good. Dude, guys, I'm telling you. Oh my god. Okay. This is the holy grail. Okay. If you guys are like, okay, you know how I was talking about Matic and I was talking about OneCoin, and then I literally told you that like on OneCoin, it was like the day before we were talking about it, we went live, and I said, guys, I'm not, and I played the clip for you. This thing's gonna freaking pop, and you can make so much money, and it'll literally pop like 40% the next day, and it's still going up. And it's still going up. Actually, what is one at right now? It doesn't matter. This is one of those times again, guys, and this doesn't happen too often. You know, I've only ever done this like 3 times within my stream, right? Matic, 1, and now it's B Pro. You can get it on KuCoin. You know, if you wanted to, if you're on Coinbase, you can transfer from Coinbase. You got to do it in Ethereum or Bitcoin. You transfer it over to KuCoin, and you can go get B Pro. Okay. We were talking about this the other day, and I was telling you, dude, B Pro is looking so bullish right now. It's not even funny. The reason why I said that is we were looking at this guy right here. It was so bullish. We had hidden bullish divergence. It was looking really beautiful. Now, I'm sorry, we did not have hidden bullish divergence. What we had negative momentum moving to the upside while we were in this consolidation pattern, and we were below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. Plus, we were sitting really low at the 30 on the RSI, really close to the 30 at that time. Guys, that was so bullish, it wasn't even funny. Well, what happened a couple of days after that? B Pro pumped up a crazy amount. Not crazy, but it pumped up quite a bit. You know, it went up almost 70%. And I wasn't surprised. I was looking for that breakout that we're going to be having out of this parallel channel. That's exactly what we have done. We are catching support right now. It's not quite time. You could if you wanted to. If you wanted to, you could totally take a position right now, and you might be okay. Maybe, right? But we need confirmation. I need to see that this previous resistance was going to be support. Resistance, 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 resistance. We broke through. Now we're trying to turn it into support. I need validation first. I need validation that this is going to be turning into support. I think once we can get back up to 1.5 cents, we get that resumption back off right there. That is your buy zone. We're so close. We are so close. Let's see what happens tomorrow and the next day. And I'm actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move some Bitcoin. I'm going to move some Bitcoin over to KuCoin. I'm going to leave it there. And when that happens, I'm going to set an alert right here. Let's get this alert going. And then I'm going to be taking a position at that very moment, right about right here. That's what I'm going to be looking for. If that happens, guys, and we can get back above, especially if you can get back above 0.016, 0.017. Oh my gosh. Okay. We have a breakout target. I'm not joking, guys. Okay. I'm not joking. 6, cents. Okay. Do you realize the potential gains on this? Okay. This is huge. This is huge. It's probably one of the biggest gains, probably one of the best coins that I've taken a look at recently. 327% gains, breakout target. Not going to happen overnight. It might, you never know. But this right here is one of the best coins that I've seen lately, that I see huge potential with. Huge potential. And that's just the breakout target. You know, if I take my position over here, when we go up there, am I going to sell my breakout target? Yeah, I am. I will. I'll take my position. I'll run. I'll quadruple my portfolio, and I'm gone. Let's go move over to something else. Go try to double it over there. But the chance to quadruple your portfolio is huge. Okay. You don't see this too often, especially with coins that are trusted, like BPRO, right? What is this? Some kind of betting thing or whatever? I don't know. But it's guys, this is one of those things. Okay. This is one of those times that I'm going to be talking to you, and this is just like OneCoin. I feel it. This is just like OneCoin. This is just like Matic. This is just textbook bullish, crazy, stupid bullish, and you can make so much money off of it. Okay. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Getting above, getting that confirmation, hold that support. If you don't hold that support, then, I mean, it's possible, guys, totally possible. Then I'm going to change my tone about it. But if you cross down below and you come back down, then I'm going to change my tone, straight up change my tone. But because we are above it and we're holding it as support right now, and if we can get that confirmation right there, great. But if not, and we fall back down below, then yeah, we're going to be going back down to the heartline over here, and we're going to be going under a penny, and then it won't be looking good, and it's going to take some time. Do I think that's going to happen? No, I don't. I don't think you're going to fall. Bitcoin would have to drop down to $42,000, and that can still happen. But I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're going to get the bounce right here, and then we'll start moving back up. Perfect timing for Bitcoin to take its bottom, and then we can start moving up as well. But that's really it. And I wanted to show you this. The where I got my breakout target from was literally the base of this flag that we're in right now. We're currently in this flag. We got the breakout of the flag. We did, and we're testing a support, and we're moving up. And what else is there to say about this? That's it. That's really it. Everything's looking still really bullish. It's still, to me, freakishly cheap how cheap it is right now. And your oscillators just crossed. You just got that bullish cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average right there. You printed your first bar today. You've just started printing your first green bar with the breakout. Jesus Christ, guys, like, come on. Like, that's textbook. That's textbook bullish. Like, quadruple your portfolio with this coin up to 6 cents. It's not going to stop there, though. It's going to be going much higher. But like I said, everything else has to hold up. You guys know what we're doing. You have our supports. You have our resistances. You know what we need to do. Look at this coin like a hawk, guys. I'm telling you. Watch this coin like a freaking hawk. I'm actually going to be setting a couple of different alerts here. Put a couple of different alerts in here. I want one for the top, one for the bottom, and we'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. But this is like OneCoin when I was talking about it the other day, guys. I'm telling you. Straight up. Okay. You were dead on with Matic. I was. That was really good. I took a look. I have not moved anything. Everything's been here. We were talking about the breakout that we had over here. We came back for the retest, and then it took off, and it blew past our breakout target. This is why I'm saying we'll hit our breakout target, and it could definitely even go further. But we hit the breakout target, and then I came over here and actually went up a little bit higher, and I sold right there. And I'm perfectly happy with that. That's fine. I know it went up an extra 40%. I don't care. I made money. I'm moving on. Going on to the next coin. Now I'm looking at BPRO because it has so much more potential. Should you buy Matic now? No, absolutely not. You should not be buying Matic right now. That would be terrible. That would be stupid. I don't know who would be buying Matic right now, but if you do, that's dumb. That's not smart. You got to be thinking about where you're taking your entries and your exits. Look at this. It's over. I mean, it's not over, but like for that move, for this short-term trade that we're doing, no, definitely you're overbought. The stochastic RSI is above the 80. and your oscillators are way up here, and it's already played out. You missed it. You missed out on that opportunity. It's gone. So this is what we're looking at, guys. See, complete opposite. Cross, you have the bullish cross. You're way down here on your RSI. Yeah, your momentum moved up, but this thing's going to be moving a lot more than all the other indicators. I'm totally fine with that. But just mixing those two right there, I'm just saying it's looking really good. Dang, we're coming up on 2 hours on the stream now. Wow. Hit that like button, guys. We got 50 likes. Dude, way to go. Thanks, guys. Love it. Dude, sweet. Okay, let's hang out with the chat. Let's see what's going on. Where can you buy P Pro? Oh, he said KuCoin. Cool. Yep, KuCoin. You're gonna have to transfer though, or you can buy. No, you can't even buy it with a credit card. You'll have to buy. You could buy Bitcoin with a credit card or a debit card or whatever. I don't recommend using cash. I mean, you could, if you want to, but like if you're looking for an investment, finance it, especially in this. I'm not telling you what to do, guys, but if it were me, I would finance it. Why not? Use someone else's money. Pay like, who cares? Let's say you got terrible credit and you're paying like 25% interest rate on the freaking card. Who cares? It's 25%. Crypto is going to be going much higher than that. Borrow it. Why not? People are talking $1,000 for fourth. For ample fourth? Dude. It's at $31 right now. It's at $36 right now. Was this the one we're looking at? Yeah, it was the one. Oh, look at that. Look, it's pumped up actually quite a bit since we're talking about it. Yeah, there's your next resistance, 38. $1,000 for this? Ugh, Jesus, dude. If that happens, that's insane. Let me just see. I want to take a measured move. That's about right. I mean, it's 2,500%. Yeah, that's totally possible. That's totally possible. That's insane though, to think like $1,000 with this coin actually when it just came out. Crazy. What do we got here? Why only KuCoin? I don't like sending Bitcoin in ETH. Crazy gas fees. For ETH, yes. Bitcoin's not too bad. It's okay. But who cares? I mean, if you're gonna be if you're talking about quadrupling your money, who cares about gas fees? I don't care. I paid so much in gas but the profits that I've made is just, it doesn't even matter. Small market cap looks good. What is the market cap of B Pro? I don't even know. I should look that up. Probably make myself even more bullish about it. We got Naruto guy. Hey, my brother. I love your content. Can we please look at BSV? Not talking about much. Cheers. Yeah, man. We're gonna be wrapping it up here, so we're probably not going to be looking at any more coins until Monday. I won't be doing lives. I won't be making any videos this weekend at all. I'm sorry, but I have a life and I do things. So RP and Coach, did you get my super chat from 30 minutes ago? No. RP, I would have remembered that one. No, I didn't get it. Did it go through for you, RP? I got nothing for you, bro. Hold on. Let me go over to YouTube. Let me make sure I didn't get it. Maybe it's possible that it just didn't show up on here on the live stream, but I'm gonna look it up for you right now. I just check my feed. I'm going to. I got that Maroon 5 song stuck in my head. Not Maroon 5, but what's his name? I forget his name. I'm in my bed. I don't know why. Yeah, no, nothing, dude. I got nothing, RP. Nothing from today. I'm sorry. I hope, did it go through for you? Might want to call your bank, man. I don't know. I hear that sometimes happens with people. I'm sorry, dude. That sucks that happens for you. I didn't get it. I'm sorry, dude. Droid Tech. B Pro is an amazing project with a great future. Cool. Lefty, do you mine helium? I bought 2 helium miners. No joke. Did I talk about this with you guys? I did buy 2 helium miners. I bought them like over a month ago, and I think they're going to be here like June, July because they're on back order. And you can get them on eBay if you want to spend $7,000 or $10,000 per miner, or you can buy them MSRP for $420.
Smoke weed every day.
So I'm expecting to get 2 of those. I'm going to put one here in my house. I'm going to go put one in my sister's house and see how they do. If they start working out really well, and then I'm going to go get more. And I'm going to start building a hexagonal pattern. I'm going to start building a network, and I'm going to start mining helium for sure. Yeah, well, it's a test, you know. I think I only spent like $1,000 on the miners together or whatever. So KuCoin takes USDC from Coinbase. Oh, okay. Is that the better? Do you think that would be the better way to do it, Adam? Instead of transferring Bitcoin, transfer USDC over to KuCoin? I'm gonna have to look into that. Probably be a better option. We got D-Tom. Check out West, brother. Yeah, dude, I'll definitely check it out. West. Write it down. Take a look at it. So you got $25 million market cap on Bitcoin. Really? Damn, dude, that's really small. What? Okay, yeah. Definitely. Did that pop up on my screen? Okay, I'm glad that's not popping up on my screen now. That's actually insane. That's a really low market cap, dude. Oh, I'm telling you, man, dude, it's looking so freaking bullish. It's not even funny. Look at Fourth over here, just pumping. 37, 38. Yeah, get above 38. Going to 44. Cool. Looking good. But like I said, I don't really have that much data. ETH doing really good. Getting held down by that resistance right now. We're just wrapping it up here, guys. Reading comments, just going over some kind of little bit of crypto before we take off here. We're almost 2 hours into this live stream. That's typically when I like to get off. Plus I got to make a phone call in like 15 minutes. So yeah, looking good. Matic still going up. Good job, Matic. Looking good. New cipher. Not really much happening. Bitcoin just kind of stalling out, having a little bit of a jump here, going from 42 or 52,300 back to 453,600. So yeah, not much happening. I missed a lot over here. So BitBoy speaks about B Pro, does he? All right. Have a lot of patience. I don't like him. Yeah, I don't either. I think he just got lucky. Super lucky, and that's where he's at right now. But hey, I'm not gonna talk trash about people. Like, he's doing good for him. He's made a lot of money, good for him. But hey, whatever. KuCoin app just confusing the F out of me. I'm gonna go ahead and light, I'm not gonna say that, and hodl the VeChain and Celery. Thanks for always the teas. You got it, dude. You got it, Jeremy. Adam, KuCoin takes you. Okay, we read that. Let's move down. Market caps. Send Litecoin. Low fees and exchange. I don't know if, okay, maybe. That might be an option. Yeah, might be an option. Oh wow, B Pro market cap is micro size. Yeah, it's really small. It's stupid small. Mega Chad. Omega Chad. 25 million is lower than SafeMoon. Don't talk about SafeMoon. Oh God, what a meme coin. What else we got over here? I'm very bullish on B Pro, holding like 1 million and buying more. Good for you, dude. Good for you. Topher D, if you must. RP and Co. Damn. Crooks at Google took dirty money and never forwarded it to you. Smish. Yeah, dude, I got nothing, dude. I'm so sorry. It's worked for you in the past. That sucks, dude. I'm so sorry. RP, dude, I'm sorry, dude. Call your bank. Call your bank up and say it never went through, never got it. I don't have anything over here. You would have saw it pop up and I got nothing. I even checked the logs from the super chats and I didn't get anything. I'm sorry, dude. It sucks. We'll figure it out. Adam, let's see, coolest channel. Thanks, bro. Ha, tight. That's what's up. I changed the colors in the background. You guys notice that? They used to be purple and blue, and now it's blue and white. We got D Adam or D Tom. Guy still wants me to check out West. Keep up the good work, brother. Thank you, D Tom. Appreciate that. Awesome positive vibes. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Zabati or Zabita. Zabita. Do you think May will be a red candle month? For what? I don't think it's gonna be a red candle month for altcoins. No, I don't think May is gonna be a red candle month. No. I don't think so. Maybe for Bitcoin. But if it does, and it drops down to 4, I don't think it's going to go any lower than 42. I really don't think it's going to go anything lower than 42. Like 42,000 is my lowest. That's 19%. Yeah, that'll hit altcoins. Definitely. If it does go below 42,000, like if we go below $40,000, I'm going to be worried. I'm literally going to be worried. And then I'm going to start thinking, dude, maybe that was the freaking top back there. Maybe the pie cycle was right. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe no, actually I have I have a theory. I think this is going to be a 2-wave cycle. I think we're going to have 2 waves in this. Like we did back in 2013, back here, like this. I think this will happen. This is my theory. I think we're going to have something like this, and then it's going to do something like this, and then we're going to go right back up. I think that period will last 3 months, and then towards the end of the year, we'll just skyrocket up. So even if it does drop below 40,000, like I said, guys, I'm running this into the grave. I'm going to be holding my coins till death, till it goes to 0. I don't care. I really don't, because I'd rather take the risk of trying to make the money than not. If Bitcoin goes 0 tomorrow, I don't care. If ETH goes down to a 0 tomorrow, I don't care. Will it hurt? Yeah. Will life go on? Yeah. And I'll go find other ways to make money. But I would much rather have that risk of those coins potentially going up and going up much higher. I just don't see them crashing. I just don't see them going to 0. I don't see that happening. It doesn't make any sense. I see the dollar crashing. I see the USD, crashing and not becoming totally worthless, but the dollar's being devalued like crazy right now. Like, I can't wait for USD to drop below 88. I can't wait for the DXY to drop below 88, because when that happens, it's going to be going down. That's when Bitcoin's going to be pumping. You'll definitely see that. But look at this beautiful double top. Look at this beautiful double top that we had over here on DXY. This is the dollar, and this is my line right there. I'm waiting for that 88. If we can go back down and if we get below that 88, yikes, it's going to be ugly. It's not going to be looking good for USD. It just won't. What are we like? Bro, have you seen it on DAP? Yeah, I have. We actually looked at that the other day. You're right. It does look bullish. Absolutely, Philip. It does. Mr. Retta, bro, look at this. Look at Terrace. It's bullish. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I'm gonna look at it and then I'm gonna move on. I'll look at it. Oh, it's garbage. What are you talking about, dude? There's nothing here. I have no idea. There's no data. I don't know. I don't know if this is bullish or not. Yeah, it's gone up. Cool, great, but hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. There's just no data to it, man. But from what I just saw, like with the hidden bullish, and yeah, it's moving up, looking good. I don't know, bro. Let's see. Fees for Bitcoin aren't that bad. They really aren't. They're really not that bad. Yeah, you're right. It's not too bad. That's why I don't mind moving in Bitcoin. But to move in ETH, no. I mean, I'll probably just be paying myself because I'm sure my miners will just process the transaction. I mean, not my specific miners, but I'm on the network. BPro market cap, 64 million. I'm getting so many different numbers. People saying are 25 million, 140 million, and then 64 million. Do I just gotta look this stuff up for myself? Where did my window go? It disappeared. Whoops. Here it is. Let's see. BPro market cap. And we're going to go to coinmarketcap.com. Circulating supply. We have 1.8 billion. And the market cap it's $25 million. That's it. $25 million. Holy crap, guys. This could be huge. This could be massive, guys. I'm telling you. That could be really massive. Okay, we're gonna start wrapping it up here, guys. I know I keep saying that. I got an email confirmation. I'll be back. Gonna go scream on somebody at Google. No, don't blame Google. Go to your bank. Just go to your bank, RP, and go tell them, hey, this transaction never got sent through, and they'll refund you the money. And then maybe we could try again later. RP, if you want, dude, what I can do, if you're in the Telegram, bro, I'll go give you a personal TA. Probably not tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. For sure. If you join the Telegram, which you guys should do anyways, because if you want to get notifications instantly, go join the Telegram or go join the Discord And then you will get those notifications instantly when I post a video or if I go live, because YouTube's notification system sucks. It's just not that good. So yeah, join. Links are down below, by the way, for the Telegram and the Discord. Come join. They're great communities. It's rare that I ever have to ban anybody because everyone in there is just so cool. Crypto people are just cool in general, in my opinion. Bro, join the Be Pro army. We love you, man. Our Telegram has 10K members. We love you, dude. I'm gonna come join. Red. Hey, Mr. Red, can you come send me an invite? Can you join? I think you're in my Telegram. Come join my Telegram. That scared the living shit out of me. I have Jesus. I have guys working outside. They're laying more electrical, and they just sprayed the window with water, and it scared the crap out of me. Did you hear that? Fuck. It scared me so much. But thank you, dude. Yeah, Be Pro. Yeah, I want to come talk to you guys. I would actually love to go over there and chat with you guys. Gemini Bitcoin withdrawals aren't free. Definitely look into Be Pro. You'll be way more bullish when they accomplish in the near future. Okay, word up. And CoinGecko says 64 mil. Well, this one says 25 mil. So which one do you take? You know, which one do you take? All you got to do is take the supply by the cost, and then you do some math, and that's it. Do you think Be Pro on Uniswap is also good? I don't know. I have no idea. Or do you recommend KuCoin? I would just go to KuCoin because that's how I know how to do it. I mean, if you know how to do it another way and know how to get KuCoin, great. Or not KuCoin, Be Pro, then go do it. But love your show, Min. Love you too, bro. Personal TA sounds sexy. Yeah, dude, I'll just start taking clothes off and then doing TA for you. No way, dude. Come on. That's crazy. No, dude, I'll give you a personal TA. I'll just upload it straight up to Telegram for sure. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're over 2 hours here. We're gonna start wrapping this up here. We're actually gonna be getting off right now. Thank you for coming to the live stream, guys. If you want to learn how to do TA like me, go buy my book. It's on Amazon. Link is down below in the description. It's $12.95. Doesn't cost crap. You guys will be supporting the channel. Plus, you'll learn how to do TA. You'll come over here, watch my live streams, watch my videos, read the book. You're going to learn how to do it here, but you're going to learn why through the book, and you're going to have a better holistic view by doing that. Trust me, it's going to be very beneficial for you. If you guys want to join the Telegram or the Discord, links are down below. Great communities that we have over there. You'll get notifications instantly for when I go live. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Consider it. If you are liking this content, you're getting value, and you're benefiting from it, go hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that so much, guys. Anyways, I appreciate all the contributions that you guys have given me today. My name is Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time.